How to cancel your Audible membership on your mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Audible membership on your mobile, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we're going to do to begin with is to actually go into Audible, and unfortunately you're not able to do this on the Audible app, so you need to go into your browser and then search for Audible and log into your account. So when you're in here, then we need to first click on this tri-bar symbol in the top left corner, and now we need to click where it says basically our name here at the top. Now we need to click on view membership details, and now we need to scroll down. As you can see, it says pause membership for me here, and that is not exactly what we're looking for. So if you only get the pause membership option in here, then keep watching. We need to go back, just click on this tri-bar symbol again in the top left corner, then scroll down and click where it says contact us. Perfect. So now we need to click where it says membership in here. And then we're going to click where it says, we can click pause my membership here, and we're going to be taken to this page. Now we need to click where it says cancel because we want to cancel the membership. So click on cancel and then click on no thanks, continue to cancel. And yeah, you will need to answer some questions here why you want to cancel, and then click on cancel membership after that, and you will have your membership canceled basically. So this is exactly how to cancel your membership on Audible on your mobile. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day.